Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to put together our Crafty Crate concept cards. To start off with, you want to select which theme you're going to use. For this demonstration, I'm going to use the birthday fun. I've already got the coordinating crate and you can easily tell which one you need as it is labelled on the top, and also the elements on the bottom match up with the images of the elements. So I'm going to start with taking my elements out of the die. And I'm going to take the 4 tabs which are going to hold my elements inside my crate. So to make this up, it's really simple. Just want to remove the die cut pieces from the 2 panels. And then we're going to stick these together using red tape. I've already stuck red tape on the 2 end tabs, as you can see. So we're just going to stick them directly on top of each other like so. And then you can fold your crate. And then you want to fold the tab on this end onto the side panel like so. Once you have your crate made up, then you want to fold all the tabs on the panel sections. And I've just got some red tape on these pieces and I'm going to stick them to the inside of the crate about halfway up. So there we have the first tab in. We'll add the second one. Third. And finally the 4th. You don't have to use all these tabs if you don't want to. You can put as many and as little in as you like. It depends how many elements you want to have stuck inside your crate. So I'll just stick that final one onto the front, and as you can see you have those 4 tabs in there. So now I'm going to pop out all my elements and we'll stick them in. So now I've popped out all of the elements, I'm going to start layering them into the crate. You can see that some of the presents are larger than the others. You want to stick these to the back of your crate and then build up your image from there. cake on the other side. And then I'm going to add the bunting to the top front of my card. I'm going to use some of our construction glue to do this. Just on the edges. And we'll put the bunting across the front. I'm going to add the cute plaque that says the big box of birthday fun to the centre, and then we have some little party streamers that I'm going to add to the corner. And we can add our balloons to the back. Once all your elements are inside your box, you can use the little label that we've created for your message and put that onto the back of your card, so they know who your Crafty Crate is from. And that is how to make the Crafty Crates concept card. Thank you for watching.